So this is a push button panic button. You see it's already pressed down there. I've ordered two of these. This one's for me, and there was one that I left at the shop purposely because I'm going to fit one of these in the shop. So to activate it, because we don't have anything at the moment. So get a little screwdriver. If you're wondering where the key is, it says in the description when I looked on eBay, it's shipped inside. So let's see if that's true. It come in like a bubble wrap package, like it was an envelope with padded bubble wrap, and then they just come in a little plastic bag. Oh, so yeah. The key's there. So the key goes in there and it just pushes it up like that, up and down. Can't get the key out. So if you ever get one of them, just pry this out. So do this, and then it'll fly out. So I think this is a knockout just here, because if you look there, it looks quite, you know, that's the words, shallow plastic. So you know, this is where you wire it all up. If I put it together, you see it's got an indicator. You push it down, then it goes to red. So, if you didn't know the code, well, if you didn't have the key, it might be possible that to get a screwdriver and click it up like that, or just shove, like, maybe if you put it in, I was going to say you could put a paper clip in and knock it up. So I don't know, but make sure it's tightened up. So there we are. So that's nice and tight. So metal key. You can get plastic ones. They're all the same, just a standard thing. So you put your key in, switch. So if I turn this, press it down, put it back in, that'll go to green and you'll see that bling up. I'll show you it now. So you can hardly hear any noise, like when it pops back up. So, and what you have to do is you put it in, you get it right in, so it's like that. You have to turn, then turn back like that. So there we are. So if this was white alarm, me doing that would activate it. But since it's got no wires coming out of it, then I think it's safe to say that it's not going to go off. So this will be located by either side of my bed. So if something happens, I can just press it down like that. So, I'll show you the back. So that's the cable knockout, I think. Fixing holes, or if you wanted to, I should imagine you could just put one through there. So there we are. They are pretty cheap off eBay, these. They are not a lot of money. So there we are. I think these you can have them like that. So you can do that, but the key you'd have to put in like this. You have to put the key in like that, turn, then, so it might be a bit tricky, but putting it in like that, straightforward. But I bet you can have these whatever way up as, you know, but it's recommended to have it like that. So there we are. What you also might be able to do is, if all you do press that in, what I was just saying is, get a long screwdriver maybe and just click it up. So see if this will work. Now it'll have to be the key, I think. So there we are. Oh. These are different style. Like I know the alarm boy's got one that he activated his Parnix Paragon Plus and Risco Noveguard 4 outside. So and his was more of a smaller, bit smaller, and it got a red plastic key. So there we are, pretty basic, and there it is. I'll probably be doing a video of like fixing it up and well, just installing this PA button, but that will be a project for another day. I'll show you it working with my alarm and I've fixed it up, and that applies to the shop as well. I'll show you. So there we are. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video.